Hello everyone, and welcome to Easy English Hub. Today, we're going to learn some essential vocabulary in English. Parts of the body. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Now, let's dive into today's lesson. Let's begin with the upper body. Listen and repeat after me. Head, hair, chin, cheeks, eyebrows, eyelashes, ears, nose, mouth, lip, tongue, tooth, teeth. Now let's review. I'll show you a picture, and you tell me the name of this part of the body. Great job, let's continue. Perfect. Excellent. Let's move on to the middle body. Listen and repeat after me. Neck, shoulder, chest, breast, back, belly, waist, arm, forearm, elbow, wrist, hand, palm, finger, nail, thumb. Let's take a moment to review what you've learned. Pause the video and practice saying those words on your own one more time. Well done. Let's learn about the lower body. Listen and repeat after me. Hip, thighs, legs, knee, ankle, heel, foot, feet, toes. Good job, everyone. You've learned some important words about the body in English. Now, let's do some fun activities to practice what you've learned. Enjoy! did an amazing job. Here is our lesson summary. Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing and improving your English skills. See you next time.